Hi there folks, and welcome back to the channel. Come with me down Clarence Drive and I'll show you a few of the highlights. But first of all, before we get there, I want to rise up above it all and give you a general overview of what we can look out for. As we pan left, you'll see Steenbras Dam and Steenbras River mouth. Let me just park the car down there and then we can set off on our expedition. I once, when sitting on those rocks down there, saw an elephant shrew. A very rare animal here. It's a very rocky shore, not easy to navigate on foot, but certainly an attractive place for the fishermen to come. You see them here all the time. The old footpaths in the mountains here are not at all maintained by Gordons Bay Municipality, or any other municipality it seems. It's just been completely abandoned. There's lots of little hidden nooks and crannies, places you wouldn't normally see unless you came out in a boat and looked back. Little seal islands along the way, yes, islands with seals on them. You'll see those too every now and then. Have a look out, look down when you're driving past, slow down. Up until about COVID 2020, you'd often see the public just relaxing and swimming here in the pools and the river until, through the summer. But like all good things, they come to an end. Unlike the Cape Town southern suburbs, this side of the world, Gordons Bay side, is on lockdown. Or should I rather say, you're locked out! But since then they put that ugly old concrete block there, and since then it's become very expensive to enter and have a look around and just relax by the river. But we can go for a drive. We're headed along the mountain towards Kuchelberg, there on the right-hand side, I'm sorry. And that's a biosphere, protected obviously with the flora and fauna's best interests. We really need to protect and preserve it. Unfortunately, there have been so many fires that really it's hard to do that. But to your right there, under the Kuchelberg Nature Reserve, there is Kuhlbay, otherwise known as Kuchelbay, which is a bit hard to pronounce if you're not Dutch, but a beautiful place to go surfing. Down there, under the last remaining pine tree, a stone pine, it's not invasive, you can relax there and have a cup of coffee. While I was filming this, I was wondering, do you ever get that feeling that someone's watching you, someone's following you, someone's looking from above? Don't worry, it was me, and I have no idea who you are. We're coming up to a section of road that you will see on this channel. I filmed it last year in 2025. As you can see, an excellent job has been completed there. If only they would make the access road to the waterworks available for the public now. There's a dam view you don't see much. I'll take you there again later. Looking upstream from the Steenbras Bridge and river, you see the tidally regulated ponds or crystal pools, and occasionally further upstream maybe some fresh water, and a very scarce site over there. Yes, that's the Steenbras Dam wall, not open to the public, seldom ever seen, but you're privileged through this channel to have a look closer. As we zoom in and to the left are the once public holiday rondavels, swimming pools, etc. Also, a beautiful indigenous forest below the dam wall, and below that, a lovely walk across a wood and steel bridge over the river valley. If you would like access to these beautiful resources and highlights of the Western Cape and feel you can do something about it, I will leave links in the content and discussion below, and please feel free to engage with these parties to try and make it possible so that we can proudly participate and engage with nature in this beautiful part of the Cape. Come back for more if you want to see more of Google Doogle's False Bay and Western Cape.